Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to improve your baby city Chinese cheapy diapers. Wow, that was a tongue twister for me. As you can see, this is the original one. Don't mind this stitching. I'm going to tell you all about it. So as you can see here, they have 4 snaps, and this one's 2 snaps. Chinese cheapies, if you guys ever bought them, super cheap and poor quality made. Look at this one, I just noticed that one's cracked. But they're not even line straight. I mean, the fit is not good, overlapping on the side. So I'm gonna show you guys what you need to do to improve your diapers, and I'm just gonna just do this. There you go, that's what it looks like minus this with the full rise snaps. This is my improved version of it. As you can see, there's so many snaps. Definitely needed and recommended to use this much snaps on your Chinese cheapies if you got the really good quality ones, or the good quality POL, I can say. As you can see here, total difference. There's 4 snaps here. I have the original 4 snaps. I added more over here. 3 female snaps, 1 male, and then 2 males on the side, so we can make sure that flap does not stick out, because when you put these Chinese cheapies on, they go like this, they start coming out. So this is gonna help prevent it. On this side, as you can see here, original 2. The 2 right here, so you can see how far apart. This is a pretty good one. Look how far apart these 2 are. So I put another snap right here, another male snap, and then 2 males right here, so it can help. So you just snap. You use these snaps right here for the corner snaps as well, if that makes any sense whatsoever. But that's gonna help with the overflapping. And if you guys are having problems with the sides right here being too bulky, you can just flip this inside and out, and then just use another cloth diaper, or you can use a free cloth diaper pattern on Pinterest, and just get it. You can just flip this inside out, but this is just so you guys can see what it looks like. So I just stitched it just like this, but you want to flip this inside out, trace it, sew it, and then cut it, and you can get those really nice fitted curves for your cloth diaper. And this fits very well on my baby. I had this since she was before she was born. I washed it when I was like 9 months. No, I lied. Probably like 7 months pregnant. I prepped all my diapers, and she's now 1.5 years. The laminating, the POL is actually really good on this diaper. I bought all the colors, and when I found out she was a girl, I bought double of all the girl diapers, and only a handful lasted. And the other ones I made cloth pads, and I was just experimenting with the other ones on how to fix it, and I finally learned how to fix it. I was cutting everything, and it was just a lot of drama. So I used my the ones that delaminated. That's what I use for practice, you can say. But this actually works really well, and I'm probably gonna buy some more Chinese cheapies, believe it or not. I love my Bum Genius. I love my Happy Beehives. I just love my other diapers right now. But I like these because these are really great cheap filler diapers when I'm washing the diapers. Because sometimes it can take me all day to wash the diapers. So when I know I'm running out, I put my regular diaper that I like on her, my regular cloth diaper that I like on her, and then the rest, like I have 2-3 of these, then I use them during the day, and then I dry the diapers in the dryer, or I put them outside. It just all depends on how many diapers I have left. So that's pretty much, as you can see here, it looks very different. And if you guys have a lot of Chinese cheapies, try this. All you have to buy is the cam snaps. They have, what is it called, the little kits at, I think mine's at Hobby Lobby, I believe. They have all different kinds, all different colors. So try it out. Try it on the ones that are delaminating, so you don't have to, worry about missing the ones that are good, because these are pretty good. They're sturdy inside. Love them, no leaks, the fitted skin. I'm gonna show you a video right now so you guys know how it fits on my daughter. And she is, was it 15 months, I believe? 15 months, a year and a half. And yeah, pretty much. So just stay tuned and I'll put the video right now. Okay guys, this is the Baby City Pamper and this is on my, 15-month-old. As you can see here, I added extra snaps. It only came with, I think, 2 snaps. Added this one right here. And I added another one on, 2 on the side. So the diaper is not droopy. And I add multiple snaps right here. And 2 again.